Good day, everyone, and welcome to Elite Currency weekly trading ideas. My name is Nenad, and we go with quick trading ideas. As you already know, guys, I managed to make the biggest success in my trading career. I managed to bring my account up from 10,000 to 100,000, and I withdraw the profits. 90,000 dollars has been withdrawn, and now I'm started again from 10,000. So I continue to trade the account, but as you can see, my big quest has been made. Man, this has been one of the biggest feats in forex trading ever. I don't think that many traders ever managed to do this, especially all those mentors and all those who sell signals and systems. I don't think that they could ever made something like this. So still, I'm using this opportunity. There is one more day, guys, to actually go with our final offer. You can save 42% during abnormal volatility. You will get my Camarilla MACD full method, ECS live also. And of course, for all of you who join now during next 24 hours, you will get also my Camarilla MACD EA method once it has been recorded and completed. So this is one-time offer, and I think that you can use this to your advantage. Before I continue, I see, yeah, guys, this is the link. So please use this link, elitecurrency.com, Camarilla MACD Special 2020. So this is the link. So for all of you who want to join, I will type it here. So use this link and enjoy this very good and very big volatility. I won't be going for 1 million, but guys, I start now again from 10,000. This will be slower than the move to 100,000. I'm not greedy, I just go slowly, step by step. We should not be greedy. We should be patient enough. This result of from 1,000 to 10,000 to 100,000 has been made in a year. So just we go slowly, step by step, and hopefully we will make another big, nice return on investment. Thank you guys for your comments, Woody, Ali, and Ilya. I'm very good, thank you. I'm here. I'm not going out that much now with all of this coronavirus thing. I'm sitting at home at my office here, and I'm trading. So it's been quite well. So I will start, guys, first with quick trading ideas. So again, use this opportunity, guys, to go for big discount, 42% on everything that we offer, and of course, including Camarilla MACD method and system, which will be introduced publicly when I record it, when I finalize it. So in probably some 5-6 months. Until then, we get all those good signals from my method on Telegram channel. Okay, so let's quickly do a recap of what we might have, what we might expect. So for euro dollar, guys, I expect continuation to the upside. If the market makes a bounce above the middle pivot point line, guys, then this is a long position. So if the market closes above 1074, euro dollar will go up. There is one more chance for a rejection if the market drops to the low here, 10978, then it might still get one more push to the upside. So I'm thinking that euro dollar will go up. GBP dollar is also should go up. The signal that happened here I took a little bit later. So basically, I think that from this spot, it can go up towards 25 levels. If we take a look at the GBP on the Camarilla MACD core, we see that it already went above middle Bollinger Band line. So we might have a push to the upside now. So I think that GBP dollar is going to go up. XAU USD gold is also up. Potential trading ideas is to go long from 16.00 on a pullback, 16 to 16.10, placing stop loss below 15.95, and XAU USD or gold will go up. On GBP dollar, I'm long. My ECS live traders went long in between 23.85 and 95 was the signal. 23.15 is stop. 25.10 is the target. So we are long thanks to Camarilla MACD EA. Here on the dollar CAD, I also see potential longs. We see a realignment arrow here, and the dollar CAD might also go long towards the target 42.36. Dollar yen is, as you can see from the template here, potentially short. It's flat. I don't see anything tradable, but because of this, we could see a potential short. But be careful. It's not ideal. I like your comments. Woody saying you have to be the most humble trader I ever know. Well, I'm very realistic also. Yeah. Commodity consumer reports. It should be definitely alive, and I heard of that. I think so, if I'm correct. So everyone can actually check results of profitability of different traders. I would always apply there, and I would always send my FX book reports. So dollar yen could drop. Euro CAD, totally, guys, flat. There could be an up move, but I don't see it. Dollar CAD looks better for a long. Although you see there is resistance here. It needs to break 41.75 to proceed further. GBP Australian dollar could reject. I was looking at the GBP Australian dollar, and I see that it can reject from these levels here, especially if you take a look on the EA template. So basically, you see here, there could be a buy opportunity soon if the market gets, again, if it closes above 2.020, this is going to go up. And finally, guys, for all of you who trade it, I don't trade personally the Bitcoin, but let's say that Bitcoin is bearish. My Camarilla MACD core showed good signals for a bearish move. So I think that 70.00 could be short in the Bitcoin. But I'm sticking to fiat currency. So this is it. Thank you guys for listening. This was quick trading ideas from myself. Again, this webinar is free. It will be uploaded to YouTube. For full trading ideas, performance, trade management, and risk management, apply for Elite CurrenSea live service on our website and go for the package, guys. You are covered completely. Until then, guys, I wish you to trade safe, think about your health, stay at home. Cheers, and thank you for all great comments. Also, one more thing, guys, before I go. Really, I would appreciate it much. I always say, I don't know why this is the life, basically. Traders are simply on Forex Peace Army. Let me give you the link. There are some people who, nothing is sacred for them. They're leaving some bad reviews. I don't know why. Everything is false here. I don't know why they're putting this nonsense here. Because if anyone is totally dedicated to the market, this is me, Chris, Nikita, Andre, all of us who are working with ECS Live. So guys, please, if you have some time, support us there, leave a review. So this is shameful for this guy to write things like this. So I don't like it, really, because I know it's not true, it's not the fact. We will soon be having only ECS Live channel for signals and my webinars, but to put on 1 star because there are other things besides signals, it's not correct. So please, guys, if you have some time, just leave a review there. I sent you the link. It will take few of your minutes, and click as many stars as you want. But I know that we are not for 1 star. This is shameful, really. Thank you, guys. Yeah, this is jealous. I know that it's jealous, and I know that there are competition companies which actually send those bad reviews. Thank you for listening, guys. I will be here with you soon, as always. Cheers, trade safe, stay at home, and stay healthy. Everything will be over in a couple of months. We will be all good. Stay strong. See you.